So this is our peanut butter. Look how creamy that is. It's definitely healthier than what you would get in the store. Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Now, I had the pleasure of making my own peanut butter the other day, and I've stored it in this jar. It is one of the easiest things you can make yourself. Plus the fact that this peanut butter has no preservatives. All you need to do is to make sure you get a nice jar, a nice clean airtight container where you can store it. It is so creamy, it is so delicious, and the beautiful thing is it is more natural than the peanut butters you get from the shop because it's got no preservatives. It doesn't have any of those nasties, any additives or coloring or flavor. This is as natural as you can get when it comes to your peanut butter. So I noticed how easy it was for me to make it, and I just said, you know what, I need to film that whole process. So it's been a couple of days since I made this peanut butter. So without much further ado, let me show you exactly how I made this peanut butter. And I promise you, you'll never buy peanut butter again after you watch how easy it is and just how delicious it tastes. And I'm just going to check for any bad one.
Cheap motel with her clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended.
So make sure you take time out to clean your peanuts. These are all the bad ones that I got out. So now I'm just going to wash the peanuts thoroughly. I've washed the peanuts and I'm just going to add in some salt.
But I got you close and kinda hoping
Shake that around. So these are the peanuts. They are peeled and cooked, and you know it's cooked when you peel off the skin like that. So I'm going to peel off the skin. I'm going to transfer it into another bowl.
I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere as long as you're with me.
So I've peeled the peanuts and I'm going to transfer it into my dry blender.
So we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something.
Now I don't want to blend it too much in here. I just want to break down the pieces. So I'm just going to do a few bursts of blending. But it's not quite there yet, so I'm gonna blend it some more. I've just got a clean empty jar here, my empty honey jar. is what our peanut butter is looking like. I'm just going to transfer it here. Look at that, it's so creamy and so smooth. Get a spoon. Scoop it out. Look how creamy that is. I'm going to put it on some bread now for the kids. This is so creamy. It's our very own homemade peanut butter. Just love this. And again, it's definitely healthier than what you would get in the store. So give this a try and definitely thank me later. So that's our peanut butter sandwich, which I'm going to share with the kids right now. Please be careful.
I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, anywhere, as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda